Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make this all-natural, powerful morning juice for detox, boost immunity, for energy, and a radiant skin. First on our list of ingredients is fresh spinach. Fresh spinach is loaded with iron and chlorophyll, which is what gives it the green color. It helps to build red blood cells and detoxify our system. To add to this all-natural powerful juice is white grapefruit. White grapefruit is a citrus food so loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants and relevant enzymes that helps to boost our immunity, helps with heart health, flush out toxins from our bodies, and of course it is low in calories, so great for weight loss. I'm particularly adding it to this juice because of the tangy flavor in place of lime and lemon. Next is our superfood. I always say we don't need to say so much about ginger because ginger speaks for itself. Ginger contains powerful anti-inflammatory and immune boosting properties that helps to reduce inflammation and boost our immunity to prevent diseases and infections. Ginger is great for digestive health and helps to reduce bloating, nausea, and so on and so forth. Let ginger you up. It helps to boost metabolism and adds a spicy kick to the juice. And if you're looking for the best natural vegetable to hydrate, refresh, and keep cool, then cucumber is that vegetable that will increase the fluid volume naturally in your juice and keep you hydrated, detoxed, and refreshed, therefore promoting electrolyte balance and a glowing skin. And here comes the game changer, butternut squash. It is colorful, it is creamy, and it is sweet. It will add the sweetness, the color, and the creamy touch to this juice. Butternut squash is rich in vitamins A and C, making it perfect for skin health. It helps the skin to stay supple, glowy, and radiant. The abundance of vitamin A in butternut squash makes it perfect for promoting clearer eyesight. It also helps to boost immunity, boost energy, flushes out toxins from our bodies, and of course, is very kind to our taste bud. To add to the mix are oranges. Oranges are citrus food that are loaded with vitamin C. In combination with butternut squash, will take the immunity boost to another level. The sweetness of this juice will also increase for an added morning burst of energy, the energy we need to conquer the day. All prepped and ready for juicing. Important notice: clean water, clean utensils, and hand hygiene is crucial for best results. Now, enough of the talking. Let's juice. And for this juice, I'll be using my J2 Nama juicer. For improved flavor and mood, I have chosen to add fresh mint leaf to this juice combo. Look how rich and creamy this butternut squash is. Just take a look at this. Take a look at this refreshing detox juice for a boost of energy, immunity, skin glow, and a minty goodness. All natural ingredients. No preservatives, no additives. Just pure good health. A sip of amazing goodness to start your day the right way. Make food your medicine. Again, I say, make food your medicine. Until I see you in my next video, I will encourage you to like this video, subscribe if you have not, leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you. Share, share, share. Remember, there is love in sharing. Don't forget to click on these videos popping up. I'm sure you find them insightful. And until I see you next time, again I say, make food your medicine. So yummy. Don't forget to click on these videos popping up. I'm sure you find them useful. In the meantime, I'll go store my bottle of juice in the fridge for tomorrow. Bye.